It's, there's always a segment in your ice cream store. There's a segment of people who gravitate towards things. And there's always a segment that wants coffee ice cream. And there's another segment that loves mint chocolate chip. Other people, oh, I don't like coffee ice cream. I hate mint chocolate chip. And then there's the fruit people, so to speak. But there are segments. And that's why people say, how many flavors should I have in my store? I always had between 30 and 40. Sounds like a lot, but it's not. But this way, just like the coffee bar, people come in and I've got one coffee ice cream. I've got one mint chocolate chip ice cream. I've got maybe 2 fruit ice creams. And then the rest are my, if right behind Steve, you can see Oreo cookies, Milky Way, Heath Bar, Butterfinger, Nestle's Crunch, Snickers, Reese's, and Payday. And I make ice cream out of all of those. And those, because you're going to have a broad range of ages coming into your store, from kids, from infants to kids, whom I love, all the way up to seniors, my kind of people. And the candy ones and the cookie ones work great across the board. Last class, we made ice cream out of Cinnamon Toast Crunch, the breakfast cereal, and it was great. It was really great. And kids are going to gravitate right towards Cinnamon Toast Crunch because that's what they have. They know that.